Hi everyone, here we've got REALME 6i and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find fingerprint, face and password. Let's tap on it. Now let's take a look at the biometrics and tap on add fingerprint, and here we've got the caution, we've got the warning that if you will forget your lock screen password, because we will have to set it right now, you will be unable to unlock your device. So just tap on continue and we can enter the password or use a different password type. We can choose the pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, or password with alphanumeric characters. I will pick the pattern, so let me draw it, redraw it, and we can move to adding the fingerprint. So we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. It's right here. So let me place my finger on the sensor and let's try to add it. So do it multiple times. I mean, place your finger on the sensor multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully. Okay, so here we have to adjust the holding position. Okay, so we have to add the edges of our fingerprint, of course, again for better recognition, to add it fully. So try to move your finger. Okay, let's tap on continue. And as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the storage bin icon or by tapping on it. Oh my god, what I just did. Let's get back to the fingerprint. We can tap on this fingerprint. We can rename it if you want to, and it's quite a cool option. So why not? We can add another fingerprint, and here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So we can use it for screen unlock, app lock, or private safe. I will leave the screen unlock, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your REALME 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.